Hello, friends. Are you ready to have fun learning classroom words? Let's go to school and see what we find. This is a book. We read stories and learn new things with a book. This is a pencil. We use a pencil to write and draw. These are crayons. They are colorful and fun to draw with. Do you know these? These are colored pencils. I like coloring with them. And these are the markers. We color pictures with them. Oops, a mistake. Let's fix it with a rubber. Rub, 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 all gone. Look at these rulers. We use the rulers to draw straight lines. This is a pen. Click, click, ready to write. What's this? A pencil case. You can keep pencils, pens, and rubbers inside. This is a sharpener. It makes pencils nice and sharp. And these are my scissors. They're great to have fun. Snip, snip, be careful. I like using my glue stick. I use it to stick things together. And here are the school bags. We carry everything in them. Let's sit down on a chair. Nice and comfy. Look, these are the desks. We put our things on our desk and do our work. And this is the board. The teacher writes here for the whole class to see. Get ready to practice what you've learned today. Repeat after me. Book, book, pencil, pencil, crayons, crayons, colored pencils, colored pencils, markers, markers, rubber, rubber, ruler, ruler, pen, pen, pencil case, pencil case, sharpener, sharpener, scissors, scissors, glue stick, glue stick, school bag, school bag, chair, chair, desk, desk, board, board. Now let's put the classroom objects in sentences. Listen and repeat. I'm reading my book. I write with my pencil. I color pictures with my crayons. Sometimes I prefer colored pencils instead of crayons. I use markers to make nice, colorful pictures. I rub out my mistakes with a rubber. I draw straight lines with a ruler. I use a pen to write in my notebook. I keep all my crayons in my pencil case. I sharpen my pencil with a sharpener. Twist, twist. I cut out squares with my scissors. Snip, snip. I use my glue stick to stick little pieces of paper in my notebook. I keep my books in my school bag. I sit on the chair. I work and study at my desk. The teacher writes on the board. Very good. Let's say all the words one last time. Very fast. Book, pencil, crayons, colored pencils, markers, rubber, ruler, pen, pencil case, sharpener, scissors, glue stick, school bag, chair, desk, board. You're doing an amazing job. Keep practicing every day and you'll be a pro at English. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.